This isn't a 9-to-5 job. It's not like we clock in and then we're out. Like, we're living together. I don't have a normal social life experience. Like, I'm not going to school and then going to parties after and meeting people. But at the same time, I still need to live life. I'm human and I need to hug people, I need to laugh with people, I need to cry with people. Like, I need that part. It can be tempting to kind of close yourself off and to be like, to do the show and keep it really professional with people, but then like go into your bunk and then do a show the next day. But I feel like that's depressing. You need to get inspired off of like emotion in life in order to do a good show, in order to have that chemistry on stage, because you can't fake that. I love everybody here a lot. Ashley, she is literally like my best friend. John is so sweet, and he's very on it all the time.
Yep, that's my guy right there, John Witt. I got you, baby.
Darius, I love Darius so much. He's actually the closest in age with me. Justin, she's low-key hilarious.
Happy birthday!
Toshi's very outgoing. He never misses an opportunity to make a new memory. You never really know how it's gonna turn out with people. We just all got to know each other and we just really like each other. You could have so many number ones and you could be rich as hell and be famous as hell, but it's like nothing compares to the feeling of just like looking to the person next to you and knowing that like they got your back and that they care about you and they love you. Like, that's the best feeling in the world.